I tend to tale of Maxwell Rough, he's sort of footlights like a moth. His sense of timing never off until he opted to collaborate with a hooded reprobate. A blighter and assassin made a deadly double bill. Jokes, 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 make 'em laugh until they choke. Fairly slay 'em in the aisles, maidens fair and Princess Charming. Frills, 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 dashing feats and bloody spills, and I guarantee you'll never see the ending coming. The curtain rose, the scene was set, they danced a murderous duet, and much deserving blood was let up too. And a scene wherein they disagreed on who should live and who should bleed, and Maxwell Roffey then received a very bad review. Jokes, 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 and there's daggers and there's cloaks, but behind the scenes the leading players differ on the plot. Laugh, laugh, laugh at the dandy's new red scarf, now 8 shows a week to Beelzebub is his eternal lot. Jokes, 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 make 'em laugh until they choke. Fairly slay 'em in the aisles, maidens fair and Princess Charming. Frills, 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 dashing feats and bloody spills, and I guarantee you never see the ending coming.